No, it's not my husband. I'm a man. Yes, me, I'm a man. Yes, not my husband. Man, M-A-N, man.
Before COVID hit Jamaica, a tourist the hotel them want out here, bruh. Same rate for Jamaican as tourists. 3 nights minimum stay. Seriously? Suppose we not have so much money.
Can we go a hotel? I can find a hotel number and no. I wish I'm not for call. Man, to go be a the grill. I call the grill, yeah. One on the grill. So the number, yeah. The phone ring. Come or answer the phone, yeah, man. So I come me about my clothes already and my bag well packed. Hurry up here, master.
Thank you for calling Jamaica Hotel. You're speaking with Tamika. How may I help you today?
Yes, hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Me am a good up, man. Want come at hotel, come stay. How much we stay there? Just give me the price, the lady.
Ma'am, I can't understand what you're saying. Can you speak in English, please?
So, who am the lady? What you try say? Me can't chat good. And I talk to you, lady. Look come here talk to you very nice, lady.
No, ma'am. Nothing of that sort. You and your husband would like to stay at our hotel?
Yes, lady, me still here. Me go put on my hat in case the sun hot down there. So what you say now, lady? What you say? No, it's not my husband. I'm a man. Yes, me, I'm a man. Yes, not my husband. Man, M-A-N, man. Yes, lady, my man. Oh, God. He'll scratch me. Can't even scratch it. No, lady, I know you.
Our hotel rates are $50,000 per night, based on a double occupancy with a minimum stay of 3 nights. Total of 3 nights would be $150,000, ma'am.
Yes, lady. So how much we stay there?
Our hotel rates are $50,000 per night.
$50,000 for one night? Alright, give me that. Give me that, lady, give me that.
Oh boy. Ma'am, it's $50,000 per night. And the minimum of stay is 3 nights, which would calculate to $150,000 for 3 nights.
So what you try say, lady? What you try say? Me can't come for one night. Me can't stay at hotel for just one night and give $50,000. You don't want $50,000? Enough money that in the lady, enough money that. What heap of money?
Miss, this is an all-inclusive hotel. And in order for you to stay with us, you have to stay 3 nights or more. If you cannot afford it, I would recommend that you call another hotel.
So lady, you know I'm a man pocket stay, lady. You come talk about me can't give $50,000 for one night. Me have to stay 3 nights. And you think say me can pay for the 3 nights? Lady, my pocket full of money, you know, my man full of money. Man can buy you your hotel and your whole family. All the market that we have here named Bruno, the man can buy that too. Chop about. Listen, lady, don't rank with me, lady. Don't rank with me. Me have my money, lady. Me have my money. Bright.
I mean, you know disrespect. But I don't see the need for you to be talking to me in such manner. Please hold.
Sprite, put me pan hole. Lay down, put me pan no hole, lady. Me no want go pan no hole. 1-8.
These are the hotel policy, not mine. Please do have a nice day.
Have a nice day, have a nice day. Which part have a nice day? Me have a good up clothes and I come to your hotel and you come tell me why I can't come to your hotel. Why I can't come to your hotel? You stay there, time I come in and want me to come to your hotel for even one night for $50,000. You're bright.
You know, I'm to them Backabush Jamaicans, I wanna be. No, let me take a picture of my outfit for today, yeah.
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, like this video, leave a comment, and also share with all your friends. Now you can also go ahead and follow me on all socials at Suzie_Jamaica vibz. Bye.